Hello everyone, this is the EPOMAKER Cypher 96, a compact 96 key mechanical keyboard. I got it on AliExpress during a promotion only for $36, which is honestly a great deal for a mechanical keyboard of this quality. And now let's go to the unboxing. This keyboard comes in different switch options, giving you the freedom to choose the switch you like. The version I picked is the EPOMAKER Wisteria switch, which delivers a smooth and comfortable typing experience. Inside the box we find the keyboard itself, a USB Type-C cable, a tool for removing keycaps and switches, some additional switches, and of course the user manual. Here is a closer look at the Cypher 96. And when the light goes down, the RGB lighting really stands out, giving the keyboard a clean and stylish look at night. A side RGB lighting, adding an extra touch of style to the setup. For connectivity, it supports 3 modes, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired. The keyboard also comes with adjustable feet, so you can set the typing angle to your preference for better comfort. The 2.4 GHz USB dongle is stored underneath the keyboard, making it easy to carry and impossible to lose. This is the USB Type-C port. The keyboard has a battery capacity of 8000 mAh. The Cypher 96 also includes a full numpad, which is great for productivity. And with the right shortcuts, you can even use it as a calculator for quick calculation. There is also a buzzer sound feature, which you can activate with function +M, giving you an audible feedback while typing. This is the Wisteria EPOMAKER switch. The Cypher 96 is fully hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace the switches without any soldering. Underneath, the PCB is well designed to ensure stable performance, and the keyboard is built with multiple layers, including the plate, foam, and case, to improve sound and typing comfort. Now let's move for a typing test. Overall, the EPOMAKER Cypher 96 is a solid mechanical keyboard, compact, versatile, and packed with features at very affordable price. I got mine for just $36 on a promotion, and honestly it's a great value. If you are interested, you will find the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.